Hello! In the last video, I have installed SQL Server 2025. We did something by one of the features which was vector, column, field, something like that. Now, I want to introduce you another cool feature which is calling REST APIs inside TSQL, or let's say by TSQL. How can we do that? Without any explanation, we can jump to SSMS and see what is happening. Let's go. First of all, inside SSMS, you should use this. By SP-configure, you should activate or make it enable to be able to use this feature. Okay? I will put inside the comments. Then you can simply use. After that, let me show you a simple public API. I got the JSON result and I want to deal with this part. User ID, title, and body. Okay? So, I come here. Again, I try to activate this feature. No problem. I already did. And then, for get method, I have created a get response, which is n var character max. And then sp invoke external REST endpoint. This is my get method, or whatever I have to call. Then I should mention the verb, which is get, the response with output, and then I can simply use it by a select statement. Can I see the result? Yes. See? I got the entire JSON. Somebody might ask if it was a post method, which is a little bit more complicated. No problem. URL is the same. The SP name is the same. For the body, you can use payload and done. Like this. Bing. Worked. Put is the same. Patch, same. Delete also is kind of the same. Okay. But this example is much better. This one is not necessary anymore. Then I want to have something like a get all. Bunch of data. No problem. Till here is the same. If I want to have something a little bit more clear, I can do something like this. Get only the result. What is the result? This. This. Okay. Then how can I use this result? Do not worry. Like this. See? As a table by this JSON value, I can have something like a table structure of that JSON result, like this. If I want to have just a single one, I can do something like this. Like this. First, I can say from the result as an array, just give me the first row, like this. then I would have something simple like this guy, just the first one. So as you can see, dealing with APIs, URLs, external APIs or endpoints is so easy in this version of SQL Server. But let me tell you something. Do not try to use this feature for programming. It's totally violating everything. Don't try to be naughty. Don't try to be lazy. Never call any API in production inside any store procedure or something like that. This feature can violate any kind of programming rule. It is good for testing. It is good for massaging data. It is good for machine learning when you are training or, for example, creating a vector data from a data source, something like that. But for programming, for example, if you have to insert a bunch of record in a production use, never go for something like this. There is no guarantee. There is no any kind of compensation. There is no clean code. There is no solid for such things. So since you are able to use something, since you have an ability, it doesn't mean you should go for it. It can make your code so dirty, but as you can see, it's so easy to use. These things are good for, as I said, massaging data, cleaning data, dealing with some APIs to test, or just get the data and pass it to another data source or table or something like that. It can never be replaced with programming, with calling API by code or such things. So I was a little bit reluctant to introduce this feature because somebody or some viewers would think that it is a good feature and simply go for these things. But I am warning you, don't. It is something just to make the life a little bit easy, not in the production. Production, programming, creating something clean and maintainable is something totally different. Thank you so much. I will try to share this code somewhere at the description with you guys to make life much easier if you want to try yourself. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.